Welcome to Eternia Home by Plastic World, urban, elegant and simple. Today we bought a new Philips drip coffee maker. Philips HD 74 30-20 coffee maker with glass jug makes 2 to 7 cups in 10 minutes brewing time, compact design that takes little space in your kitchen, water level indicator. Aroma twister nozzle to circulate inflowing coffee evenly for optimal and consistent coffee aroma from first to last cup. Interrupt coffee brewing whenever you like, with its drip stop feature, comes with illuminated power switch. Ease of cleaning and maintenance with dishwasher-safe jug and filter holder, comes with 2-year warranty. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and visit our website www.plasticworld.in. Also visit our store Eternia Home at NG Road, Secunderabad and Plastic World in Ameerpet.